Good morning, everybody. This is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's June 17th, 2009, and we're seeing an interesting morning here, vacillating between where our lows were most of the day yesterday. Kind of interesting to have this rally in the markets and then a big sell-off again right toward the close. Not at all rare, but this 91.50 area held pretty well throughout the day, and then there's the aftermarket action. Pre-market here, you can see a run up back up to the 92 area, back down to 91.30, 40 area, and then here we are again coming back up. Some of the news driving that. The U.S. consumer prices rise less than expected in May, putting a little cap on the worries about inflation. Possible part of this bounce, but again, this is very, very small when you look at it in the grand scheme of things. It also looks like things are down overseas as well. So when I'm looking at the S&P 500 here, and we're opening at 91.75, if that's where we were to open right now, again, that's just right there. I mean, it's right where we close. Basically, it's a flat open, at least right now, and some profit taking going on. Again, we'll have to see if we can hold up. This is an awfully good test now of this little last bastion of support for what I would consider to be the high base. This whole thing could, become a high base as well, but this is definitely a pretty good sized sell-off right back to support into the 200 MA on a daily chart. So we'll have to watch closely, see where our swing low comes in. Mark that. That'll tell us a lot about the sentiment read of the market as we also fight through this overhead resistance on the weekly, which we've been talking about now for many weeks. So it's good stuff. Things are acting normally, even in the face of, again, some intraday and intra-week machinations within news and how things get digested. Again, the trend and the trend Q and VIX, all the market internals have been acting very well also, which is fantastic. So we'll keep track of those very, very carefully going forward today. Check us out in the chat room if you haven't been there. My voice is a little bit funny maybe this morning because I got into some food poisoning, so spent most of the night throwing up. Anyway, I'm here. I'm at the helm, and want to be with you guys. So if you get a chance, hang out in the chat room, post some comments if you want some questions answered or anything, and we'll go forward from there. Hope everybody's day is going to be a good one, and the rest of the week. And I'll talk to you soon.